Okay, welcome back. So in the last video we started talking about text properties, talked about text align. The next would be text decoration. Now for text decoration, we're going to rely on this now because text decoration basically allows us to do things like underline or strike through and all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this our span element because obviously we don't want to underline everything, or maybe just to show you, I can say text decoration. You can just say td to give you text decoration. If you say none, that's the default, nothing happens. But before that, I think we should bring this back to the left, the alignment. So let's align it to the left. Okay, so text decoration is none. So what other properties does text decoration have? You have underline. Okay, so you can see everything gets underline. I think there is strike through or line through. Yeah, line through. So line through is this. You know what we're gonna do just to have a focused area. So we're gonna just use that our span. Okay, so we're gonna use this to check our text styles. So for text decoration, I'm gonna just put this here. The reason I'm doing this is I don't want us to, underline the whole thing. Just want to select a particular area to underline or a particular text to underline. And I'm gonna get rid of this color. Okay, so you see, this is line through, and this is underline. Yeah. Okay, so that's text decoration. If you don't want any of that, you can say none. Okay, so just take your time and see what other properties, other possible values of the text decoration properties you can apply. There is also the text transform. So the text transform property allows you to specify things like whether you want the text to be capitalized, or so you can have capitalize. So it's going to just capitalize, make the first letter of each word capital. There is also uppercase. Okay, so it's going to uppercase everything, put it in caps. There is also lowercase, so everything is lowercase. So that's text transform. um, there are a couple of other text properties. So we can have things like line height. Okay, so we can have line height. So line height basically gives you the space between lines. You know what, let's continue here. um, so so we can have line height. So basically that gives you the space between lines. So you can have um, 2. Okay, so you can see, like, it gives you the space between the lines. You can have 1.5. Sorry, so it gets smaller. So yeah, you can control that. You can also have letter spacing. You have things like letter spacing. So letter spacing, yeah. And then you can also have 2, or you can have 5 pixels. Okay, so you can see the letters are now spaced apart. This doesn't look good, but just to show you that you can give it whatever value you want. You can say 2 pixels, just like that. Okay, so yeah, so just play with these different properties and see what it gives you. Remember that we are only applying these properties to a particular section of our entire paragraph. So we put a section of it inside a span element, and we are focusing on that span. As you can see inside our HTML, here is the span element. So we're going to see more text properties in the next video.